Hey everyone, I have a mumsrus.com haul. I ordered from the Black Friday sale, so I wanted to share what I got. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but I got a few things I didn't think I could live without. The only thing I regret is not doing the pre-buy, pre-order, whatever it was, for the imprint ribbon, because they had that as a Black Friday as well. And I meant to do it, I just didn't get it done. I barely got this done. I kept forgetting I had it in my cart, but I wanted to come through my room and double check what I had and quickly, you know, what I could use. So I got this ordered like the very last day. But at least I got some stuff. I love this ribbon. I only had it in 2 or 3 colors this season, so I got a couple more colors. And I got purple and gold because I don't have a whole lot of purple and gold, and I feel like I made at least 2 mums this season, 2 good sized mums that I could have used it for. So I wanted to make sure I got something really pretty with the purple and gold. And I got the navy and silver, and, or is that white? It's silver. I can't remember. The lighting in here is not great. It's silver. Navy and silver. I have it in, I think I have it in navy and gold, and several times I wished I'd had it in the navy and silver. I got it in the navy and gold because I do get navy and gold orders, and I don't have a whole lot of pretty ribbon in those colors. So that's why I bought it in that, and then I was really wishing several times that I had it in the silver. So that's why I got it in that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I believe I've got it in the burgundy and silver as well, and I know I used it more than once. And I have this ribbon in several different colors. It is on, or it was on sale, and I think it still is. You just don't get the additional Black Friday. This is the burgundy, and I used this several times. I used it mostly in the hair bow mums for the top bow, the pinwheel bow, because sometimes people will order the glitter bow. The regular hair bow mum does not come with a full glitter bow at the top, but just for like $3 more, I offer it with a glitter, because one of the problems with this is it does get stuck in your hair. Glitter is going to get stuck in your hair. It's going to kind of pull and stuff. So usually I'll back it up with something else, but not always. Just depends on how it, you know, how it looks. But I get a lot of burgundy orders, so having a burgundy solid glitter ribbon is really nice. So you can see the red, the green, and the burgundy. I did not have it in these 2 colors, but I do have, of course, lots of green and red glitter ribbons, but I don't know if I have any that's the solid like that. And if I remember correctly, these are metallic on the inside, so that even the inside looks good. Then I got 2 of these. I do have one already in this color, and I forget about them. It's something I forget about. I don't know why, but I need to remember to use those on some bigger mums. These I got, I love these for, you know, like the basic mums, especially I have like one with 30-inch streamers that's, I don't want to call it a basic, but it's like a lower budget friendly mum, and some of them come with cutouts. Like a cutout is like an extra option and stuff, but it's nice to have these foam glitter. They look good, and they're inexpensive, and they're just something easy and quick you can add to the mum flower. So I love having these as an option. And of course, I stocked up on bling. This is the larger circle. I have some of this, but not a whole lot, just a little bit, and so I was glad that they got the larger circle in. I got it in the gold as well, the gold and silver. And then I don't remember what the style was, what the design was, but it was also something new and different. It might be a pain to cut, I can't tell. We'll see. silver as well. This bling as well, so I went through a lot of bling. So the rectangle, this one. I love to use these on the smaller mums because it's lightweight and it doesn't take up you know, a lot of space. It works well on ring mums, wrist mums, all of the hair bow mums, and then it also works really great on the love braids. Putting it down the center of the, you know, where it's comes together kind of like a triangle shape, or it comes to a point, and you can put that right in the middle. We got some more of the oval, some of the smaller bling. That is really brassy looking. Look how brassy that is. Oval, wavy, and the daisy. One more. I got it in another roll of the navy as well, because I use that quite a bit too. Because finding navy pretty ribbons is not as easy as it looks. Especially one that doesn't have gold. I've got a lot of navy and gold stuff over there as I'm looking, you know, because I have found stuff in Christmas and all that. Like I said, I got that pretty this season. And then there's also some Christmas ribbons that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I do have a nice little selection growing of navy and gold. But just finding some that's plain navy, for me, that's the hardest. I got some of these new letters that they had, the homecoming letters with the pearls. And that one's the iridescent. I did have somebody want iridescent stuff this year. 1 or 2 orders. So that will be nice to have. And then I got the gold. I got 2 heart-shaped backers just for template purposes. I do have, you know, a lot of times I just do the circles, putting the circles together. And then I've also designed some backers on like the cricket. But I wanted to have a couple of templates too. And then I got the gold homecoming stickers. I have some of the silver, I mean the senior, and I have silver in both of those as well. I don't think I had the gold though. And that's why I got that one. That is it. That is my mumsrs.com haul. That will help me get ready for next season. And I've been trying to organize and stuff, so I really didn't need to order a whole bunch of stuff because then I have to find a place to put it. But I hope you enjoyed this. Thank y'all so much for your support as always. I can't talk. And I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. Thank you.